Hello, I'm so glad that you joined my channel today. We will be learning how to clean your acrylic nail brush. First, you're going to start with the 100% acetone nail polish remover, or you can just buy the 100% pure acetone. Either one is fine. You can fill it up halfway or you can fill it up to the top. It really depends on you. So right now I just took 3 layers of paper towels and I just folded them, and you can see some of the caked up acrylic on the brush. So I'm just showing you that. And as you can see, I filled it up halfway. Now once you get to that point, you're going to dip your brush in the acetone, and you want to see bubbles as you're dipping. So you want to switch sides like as I'm doing right now, and you want to wipe constantly till it gets dry, then do it again. And that's going to peel off any acrylic, any paint, anything that is not supposed to be on your brush. It is going to take off, leaving you with a clean bristles. Not only will you have clean bristles, this will also put your nail brush back into shape. So yes. Now, if you want to leave it in there for a few seconds, that's fine. I wouldn't suggest leaving it in there longer than a minute. I don't think that you should saturate it, because it will eat at the wood and the metal and the bristles, because acetone is strong and pure. So you just want to keep making sure that you dip, switch sides, and wipe continuously until the alcohol, or the acetone, shall I say, is all gone. Once the acetone is gone out of the little monomer holder, then you are good to go, and you just give it a couple more wipes and it will take form. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. I really appreciate you. And please subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if I'm doing anything wrong, if this helped you. Enjoy your new clean brush.